I'm Mark Gann. I'm with Texas Demolition Products. We're out here in El Paso at the Metro Mix, and we're going to do a demonstration of both pour and crack and also Sylentmite regular. We're going to split a large boulder using the Sylentmite, and we're going to address the problem of buildup concrete in the bottom of the mixers with pour and crack. So what we're doing here is we're mixing up 5 kilograms of Sylentmite with cold water, and we're going to fill holes pre-drilled in that concrete block and crack it. Let's just let that work and see. It's 15 minutes till 11. As you can see, with 5 holes drilled, we cracked this rock completely in half. The benefits are completely non-toxic residue, harmless to the environment, no EPA issues whatsoever, completely non-toxic. Worked in about 20 minutes for this huge rock, which was reinforced with fiberglass. So this isn't just a poured concrete, this is reinforced fiber. The next project we're going to tackle is we have a cement truck that broke down, and it has approximately 4 yards of hardened concrete. The old method in cleaning this truck is to get in there with a jackhammer for 3 days. What we're going to do is use our product and drill a series of holes in each side of this truck in the concrete that's embedded in the hull, and we're going to bust that out in no time. We want to express our thanks to Mr. John Norby of El Paso Metro Mix. And in just a minute, I will have him give you a testimony about an injury he suffered while jackhammering inside one of his trucks.
About 20 years ago, I was actually in a mixer drum myself, chipping it out. And we had about 3 yards of concrete in there. And it seemed to start coming out fairly good. We're jackhammering, I got gloves, everything on, and it took about 3 hours, and I got about 1 yard out. After that, it got harder and harder, and we kept working on it, and about the 7th hour, a piece from the top of the drum, Mark, came down and fell on my hand and broke my hand, 2 bones in my hand. And very dangerous situation. I could have lost my whole hand. Right. It cut the airline hose.
Did you have to have surgery?
I had surgery. I had 3 surgeries, steel plates in my hand here, wore them for a year. I mean, it was very painful.
That's awful.
And I haven't been in a drum since.
Don't blame me a bit. Not one bit.
No. So I really believe in this project. I think it'll work real well.
Thank you, John.
All right.
We appreciate all your help with it.
Thank you.
Okay.